Hey beauties, it's me Allegra. I got some new drugstore makeup, so I figured it'd be really fun to try out and do a testing new drugstore makeup video today. So I did do my face already. I don't really have any new face products. I don't have a new foundation or things like that, but I got a new Colourpop eyeshadow palette. You guys, I have been trying to get this mascara for the longest time and I finally got it, so I'm so excited to try it out with you guys today. It is the Maybelline Sky High mascara. Have you guys seen this? I saw a video on Instagram and I was just like, are you kidding me? The girl had put it on and her lashes were so long. I couldn't believe my eyes. So I was like, I need to get that. And you can't find this anywhere though, guys. Even online, it's sold out everywhere. It's sold out at Walmart. It's sold out at Ulta for the longest time. On Amazon, it wasn't available. So I wound up signing up for email alerts and I wound up getting it at Ulta, but only when I had signed up. So they emailed me and I got it when it came back in stock, but otherwise I could not get it. But I also got this really great palette here too to try out today. This is from Pixi. This is the Nuance Quartet. It's a bronzer, blush, and highlighter palette. So this did come in my Ipsy box this month. My Ipsy, I do get the creator box, so I'm not sure if everybody got this, but hopefully you did. It looks, usually I love Pixi, although I've never tried their makeup. I've used their skincare, but I've never tried their makeup, so that's gonna be my first time trying Pixi makeup. And then I got this new Colourpop palette. So this is some new Colourpop eyeshadow that has just come out for the Lunar New Year. It just looks so beautiful, so I had to get it. This is the Lunar Has It palette. And let me show you these shades here. They're so beautiful. So they're just some really gorgeous neutral shades. I love the packaging. Isn't it beautiful? I just could not get over this packaging. I love the red. This is a really beautiful palette and I love the cherry blossoms all over. Some cherry blossoms thrown throughout, the gold, the red. I also got this really beautiful trio of lips, like my firecracker from the Lunar New Year collection from Colourpop. So I'm really excited to try these out. So there's some really gorgeous reds in here that I'm definitely wanting to wear. There's a shade Rocket Pocket, Red Pocket, Lion Dance, and Lucky Charm is in here. So when I saw these, I wanted to play with these so bad with you guys. Oh, they're so gorgeous. Hopefully you can see, but they're just more of a cherry red and then some kind of burgundy, more of a burgundy toned red. So that's so beautiful. Now I don't even know which one to wear because they're all so beautiful. And then I got this blush too. This is from Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild came out with a kind of a Valentine's collection. So I thought this was really fun to try out. I love the packaging. And then they also did come out with a sponge too. And I just love this. And this was like $2.99 on the Colourpop, on the Wet n Wild website. And Revlon did come out with a new mascara too. Maybe I'll try both today and we'll see which one we like better. I'll do one on each eye. But this is called the Big Bad, So Fierce Big Bad Lash Mascara. Look at how, I just love all this red packaging. The packaging is so beautiful and everything. So let's just dive right into this beauty right here. Oh my god, it looks so good. I don't even want to use it. It's so pretty. So I'm just going to dip right into this shade here. Just really beautiful warm tone shade. I just love my warm tones. So let me just tap that on. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, that's really beautiful. Wow. I have a little bit of fallout, so let me just go ahead and bake it away. This is just some Milani setting powder. Okay, now we can get back to the eyes. So I'm just going to blend that out. I'm just going to use a lighter shade in the palette now just to blend that out. So I'll just take this shade here and just use that to blend out the edge. So I'm just taking a quick clean fluffy brush now and I'm just blending the edge, and I just hold the brush on the side instead of, you know, like pointed on. I hold it on the side, and that's just going to make it blend really nicely. So I'm just going to take a little more of that shade that we just used with the fluffy brush just to bring it back. And then I'm just going to take the lightest matte shade in the palette and just on a shader brush, and I'll just kind of sweep that on the brow bone, flick work it upwards. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. That is so gorgeous. So I'm just taking that same shade again, and I'm just going to smudge this under my lower lashes with a pencil brush. So then I'm just going to take, well, I would like to do something different because I always use the gold shade. So I'll do this, and then I'll put the pressed glitter on top. Wow, this is so gorgeous. Okay, you know what, guys? This is seriously my favorite Colourpop palette that I've used because I like these kind of neutral shades. These are my favorite shades. That's so creamy and shimmery. Oh, it's like perfection. So I'm just going to bring back our first shade, that really dark shade, and I'll just put a little bit of this in the crease. I'm just going to take the super shimmery, this looks like a pressed glitter, we'll put that right on top. So take it on a very, very small brush, an eyebrow brush, and that is so gorgeous because, you know, sometimes these pressed glitter, you know, glitter is a bit too much, like for maybe every day, but this is so gorgeous. I could see myself wear, you know, it's not too much. You could wear it more often than you think. You won't feel too overdone with this. It's just so gorgeous. I hope you could see. How stunning is that? Oh my god. Let me wet it and see what happens. See if it's even more shimmery when it's wet. Oh yeah, it is. Wow. And if you can see, I take the angled part of the brush and carve out a new eye hooding for myself because, like a lot of you guys might know, but if you're new here, I do have super hooded eyes, so I just kind of draw one on. I draw in a crease because my real crease is like touching my lashes. Guys, I'm taking this gold shade on the angled eyebrow brush too, and I'm going to put that right under my lower, in my tear duct area, just to brighten it up. So now I'm going to try out really quickly. So this is the Maybelline Sky High mascara on this side. This is my right hand. Wow, that's really nice, you guys. So guys, that's pretty good. It's volumizing and thickening and lengthening, so that's pretty awesome. And now on this eye, I'm going to try this new Revlon So Fierce Big Bad Lash mascara. Wow, that's one coat of the Revlon, and it's, you know what I really like about this one? This one separated the lashes better. This one's a little bit clumpy, but I did put 3 coats, so maybe that's why. But let me go ahead and put 3 coats on this eye. So what do you guys think? Can you see a difference? This is Revlon, and this is Maybelline Sky High, and this is Revlon Big Bad Lash. Yes, something about this eye is just amazing. They're both really good though, but this one gave me more lashes. This one seems to clump them up a bit, and so it's making them look more clumpy. This one is my favorite. Which one did you like better, the Revlon? What do you guys think, the Revlon or the Maybelline Eye? Let me know down below, and I'll be picking one of you guys, from one of you beauties, from the comments to take home a 5-piece Mega Mystery Box today. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna let these dry, but I did get some new Colourpop lashes, and I got some new Revlon liners that I really wanted to try out. So in the meantime, I'll test out this new Pixie. New to me, I don't know if this is, if you guys have tried this yet, but this is the Sugar Blossom Nuance Quartet. So I'm going to try out the bronzer. Oh, look at it. I wasn't expecting that. The pink is so vibrant, and these shimmers look so gorgeous. I've never used this before, so I do just have on my contour, but this looks gorgeous. I'll just try it. Anyway, I love that it comes with a mirror. That is so beautiful, you guys. I wasn't expecting that. Wow. Stunning. And then I'll put on some of the highlighter. So I'm just going to dip into this champagne shade. And this is a fluffy eyeshadow brush. I'm not sure, guys. Let me wet my face with my beauty mist. And then maybe it'll show up more. Oh yeah, that's way better. Subtle, so it's not too much, but it's enough that you can get a really beautiful glowy look. That's really nice. It does have a hint of pink in it too, so it's not that I'm seeing pink. Do you guys see a pink hue underneath the champagne? It looks like there's a pink to it. I'll just dip into this blush here. So that looks so intense. I wasn't expecting it to be that intense. That's beautiful. Now I'm going to dip into the pink highlighter in the palette. This is so gorgeous, guys. I wasn't expecting this. This is definitely a winner. Wow, this is gorgeous. This makes you look like you just have the most stunning, gorgeous flush, but it's kind of like a lot, you know, it's natural, but it's there, so that's really nice. I like that. And then I'm going to put some more of that champagne color in my tear duct because that was gorgeous. When a highlighter is so good, you just want to put it all over, right? Am I right or wrong, guys? Are you like me? But when it's so good, you can't stop. This is a palette that's so good, you don't want to stop. So guys, I'm just going to throw on these lashes really quick and a lip, and then I'm just in love with this look. Well, let me give myself another spray. So while this soaks in, I'll put on these new lashes that I just got from Colourpop. These are the Queenie Lash. So I'm just going to let these dry, and then I'm going to put some mascara on with these because these are on the wispy side, so I do like to add mascara to them. But in the meantime, I'm going to use this new to me, it's a Color Stay eyeliner from Revlon. And I'm just going to try, I do have on the Pixie blush, but I just want to try this new Wet n Wild blush that they came out with for the Valentine's Day collection. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of this on just for fun. Oh, that's gorgeous too, you guys. I'll just put on a lip really quick. So I do have Colourpop Lippy Pencil in the shade Hot Cakes. And then here is the lippy stick in the shade Lucky Charm. That's such a great name, right? So beauties, this is the finished look. Your girl hit gold today. Oh my god, that was amazing, amazing makeup. Those are all new favorites. That is a great way to kick off the year. Actually, it's the Lunar New Year, so this is a great way to kick off the Lunar New Year, the regular New Year, whatever. This is all new favorites. This is all truly, truly new favorites. This palette is so good I could see this being a forever favorite. And oh my god, you guys, this Pixie palette, I can't even begin to tell you. I hope that you were able to see today. This is my new #1 favorite blush, and I'm so happy because I was really addicted to a Natasha Denona pink blush that was similar to this, but now I don't have to, you know, pay for that anymore. I will definitely be getting this one. This is an amazing, amazing bronzer, blush, highlighter, you name it, but that blush is outstanding. And to be honest, this Wet n Wild blush was just as gorgeous as well. I mean, if you could get the two and mix them together or just wear one, I mean, this was gorgeous. I was so shocked. And then this, you guys, this Revlon mascara is phenomenal. And then the Maybelline one was great too, but this one was really, really, I really like this one so much So thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I hope that maybe you saw something you liked, there's something you'd like to pick up for yourself. This is all phenomenal new makeup from the drugstore, and I'm so happy I got to test it all out with you today because that makes it all the more fun. Let me know if you beauties will be picking anything up. If you'd like to use my Colourpop promo code, you'll save on your Colourpop order, and that is 5Allegra. So you just use my promo code and hopefully it's still active and you'll save some money, so that's really great. So, and don't forget guys, comment down below which mascara you liked better, and I will be picking one of you beauties to take home a mega mystery box filled with some amazing makeup goodies, well, new makeup goodies, some new collections that I've gotten recently in PR that I would love to share with you to also comment down below which mascara you liked better. So thank you guys again so much for coming and hanging out with me today. If you liked today's video, I hope that you will give me a thumbs up. It helps me out so much, and also if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you soon. Bye, love you.